Hello guys, welcome to VJ Techno in Microsoft Power BI. Today we are going to learn about line chart. Line chart are basically used to track changes or show trends over a period of time, and it represents as a continuous series of data points, and it's connected by a straight line. Line chart also have some other additional features like dual axis forecasting, trend line, etc. And when it comes to dual axis, we can plot two data series on same chart with two different axis ranges. And in forecasting, we analyze the historical data and predict the future sales or future revenue. That's called forecasting. This is the sample image for line chart. Okay guys, let me do it practically in Power BI. Okay, let me see the data set first. We have a date column, expense, revenue, profit, and I newly added that unit sold column also. Okay, let me choose line chart in visualization tab, and in axis for basically line chart in axis we should plot date. Okay, and then in values I plot expense first. So we have 4 years of data and it shows 4 years of expenses. And we can also drill through by using this three option: drill down or next level hierarchy or one level in hierarchy. Okay, we can also add more than one categories in line chart. So I add revenue in values and profit also in values. Okay, now it shows three categories and representing three different colors. Okay, and now I enable that one level hierarchy. See, these line charts are similar to the column chart, but it's we can easily understand that it's like whether the sales or revenue increase or decrease over the time period because of these spikes. Okay guys, in format tab we have some additional features like we can add a data points and we can change the pattern of line also. Okay, in data labels. Okay, in shapes we can change the style of line, either the dashed or dotted, but I prefer solid. And we can show markers. As of now it shows circle marker. We can also use triangle or square, any markers. This markers works like a data points. As of now it shows line chart. If I enable that step, it shows step pattern. Okay guys, let me discuss about dual axis. We have a secondary value. In this secondary value I plot unit sold, and in values I plot revenue. Okay, for the 4 years it shows revenue and unit sold. In a single chart it shows two categories with two different axes: left side axis for revenue and right side axis for unit sold. Okay, so if I change the date hierarchy, then it will be more complex to understand. Okay, so instead of using this dual axis in line chart, we can use the dual axis in line and stacked column chart or line and clustered column chart. It's called as combo charts. We can learn about these charts in upcoming videos. Okay guys, let me discuss about other additional features in line chart. We have trend lines. When I enable the trend line, it shows one line, and we can know for each month whether the revenue reach the trend or not. Okay, and also we have min, max, average lines, etc. We have another option as forecasting. It's one of the advanced feature in line chart. When I enable it, Power BI analyze the past 4 years of data and predictive future sales. Okay, as of now it's predicting forecast length of 10 points. I'll change it to years. We can also change it to months, days, hour, minutes, even for second we can also predict. Let me change it to 6. So based on this 4-year data I will predict 6-year data. Okay, and in seasonality I'll add 12 points. Now see guys, Power BI analyze the historical data of past 4 years and predict the future sales for the upcoming 6 years. Okay, so as of now we have 2011 to 2014 data, and it will predict up to 2020 because we added 6 years. Okay, so it shows future sales for 6 years. Forecasting have three attributes. Forecast is an average sales, and the upper bound indicates the uppermost sales will happen in the future if the sales increase day by day. And lower bound is the lowermost sales in futures. It will happen if the sales decrease day by day. Okay, that's all guys. That's all about line chart. In upcoming video, we will discuss about line and stacked column chart and line and clustered column chart. So stay tuned and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.